Hi, good day to all employer in Hong Kong. I'm Marjorie Talabiste Borja. I'm 41 years old. I live Bagtastan sa Cavite, Philippines. I'm married. I have 3 kids, age 19, 14, and 8. Also, I have dog in my house. My first experience as domestic helper in Dubai. My employer, 1 couple and 1 kid, age of 1 years old. My main duties are taking care of kids, give vitamins, give food, play together, and my duties, clean the house, wash the clothes, wash dishes, ironing the clothes, and go market. And my second employer, in Saudi Arabia for 4 years, my employer, 1 couple and 2 kids, also not 5 years old and 8 years old, also taking care of kids, give vitamins, play together, give food, and my duties are wash the clothes, clean the house, ironing clothes, wash dishes, and go market. To my employer, please choose me as a domestic helper. I will I will promise I will do my best and my duties and my responsibilities. I promise I finish my second contract. If you need my service, I stay long in your family. Good day and have a nice day, sir, madam. Thank you.